Hello students, this video lecture is for class 5th, subject science, lesson 3rd and part 2nd. In the last video, we have completed till understanding the bones. Now we will start from part of the skeleton. The human skeleton has different parts. Let us study them. First is the skull. The skull is a hard and bony structure in our body that protects the brain. It is made up of 22 bones joined together to cover the brain and to give shape to the head. The lower jaw is the only movable part of the skull that enables us to speak. So what this paragraph is telling is that the skull is made up of hard bones, which is mainly to protect our brain, which has very soft tissues, and it is made up of total 22 bones that are joined together to cover the brain. It also gives shape to your head, and the only movable bone in this skull is lower jaw, and because of that we can speak, eat. So now let's move to the backbone. Backbone is the center of our back. Backbone in the center of our back is a series of 33 small irregular bones called vertebrae. The vertebrae collectively form the backbone or spine. These bones are linked together to form vertebral column. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord which runs through it. So let me tell you, this is the spine, which is present just in our back, from our back of the head to the bottom of the waist. This is our backbone and this is our skull. So this backbone has 33 irregular bones known as vertebrae, and these vertebrae are collectively known as the backbone or spine. And in this spine there is an inner cord which is called a spinal cord, which is protected by the backbone, and the bones which are linked together is also known as vertebral column, and each individual piece is known as vertebrae. Now let's move to the rib cage. Ribs are thin, flat, curved bones that are arranged to form a cage-like structure called the rib cage. The rib cage is formed by 12 pairs of curved bones called ribs. A long bone at the center of the chest called sternum holds the ribs together. The curved ribs are attached to the backbone at the back and the sternum in the front. The last pair of ribs are not attached to the sternum and are attached to the backbone only. They are called floating ribs. The rib cage protects the hearts and the lungs in our body. So what is the main motive of this rib cage? It protects your lungs, your heart and your internal organs such as liver, etc. These are thin and flat and curved bones that are attached to the backbone and in front they are attached to the sternum. And the last two pairs of bones are not attached to the front, they are just attached to the backbone. These are also known as floating ribs. Total there are 12 pairs of the curved bones, and combinedly it is called as rib cage. So this is enough for today's video. Thank you.